welcome back to car number 28, and in today's video we're at Stretton for an evening practice session. We are also joined by fellow karting content creator Finley Cadet 77.
Hello.
He's on YouTube and TikTok under the same name. Anyway, let's jump into the content. First of all, we have ditched the old Mark 14 bodywork and bought some of the newer Mark 20 instead. And everybody knows that whenever you get new bodywork, you have to get a new sticker kit. So here is my livery release for 2024. Anyway, I mentioned in the title, slicks in wet. However, the first session was more damp than wet, so we didn't get that soggy. There are a few spins in these difficult conditions from both me and Finley, but my biggest two was when I rear-ended the barrier twice, getting very nervous for my new bodywork. But luckily, I didn't hit the barriers too hard. Anyway, I would play it, but I didn't record the first and second session, so I'll just jump to what I believe is the third session, and I'll play a randomly selected lap, a 45-second one, which was pretty decent considering the conditions. So there you go, as I crossed the line. That lap over and that session over, as me and Finley both come into the pits to let the Rotax and Prokarts go out. Then as we come into this fourth session, I'll do the same as the last one and play out a lap, which looked to be my fastest, but this time I'll do a sort of track guide. So now here we come onto the main straight round the last corner. There are some kinks. The first one is flat out, but you have to lift a little for the second, and then you brake about here for the first proper corner, as you want to just touch skim that curb, and just a little lift for this second corner before getting on the power. Then this right hander is completely flat out, you might get your backhand out a little bit, then a little lift for this double apex, and you want to brake about here for the hairpin. You want to take quite a wide line and then just come into the middle, mid-corner, into that puddle, and then all the way to the exit. Then you want to keep your foot down through this little dogleg bit and then brake for the last corner, where you want to take quite a wide line, I did that lap, and then power through onto the main straight to complete the lap of Stretton. So there we go, I believe that was a 44.8, which again, considering we were on slicks in the wet, was pretty decent. So I'll just play a compilation of other cool footage from the evening now. video, there was some other cool things that happened that evening as well. But they were so cool that they deserve their own video. Find that one with the link in the description or the link on the end screen. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It's free and it helps me out a ton. So, I'll see you in the next one.